Alrighty, we just got back from Wheel Hub Live, everyone, and we got a new car, so we're doing this as a little second video before we release the main one. How we doing, sir?
Hi.
My name's Gage. I do all the media here.
Oh, nice to meet you, Gage.
Absolutely. I saw the car. I had to come out. Wanted to ask a few questions. What's up?
We're just looking to get it redone. I got it from a buddy of mine in 2019, and it sat in water up to the headlights for 2 weeks. And we used to run around together. He's my best man. I had an orange 76 that I had restored. He had this one, and he got flooded out. And I went to help him. My boys and I went to help him clean up after the flood. And he said, "You want a project car?" And I said, "What do you got?" And he said, "My Camaro."
Wow.
So I'm like, "Yeah." So he said, "I can't give it to you, but I'll sell it to you for $1." That's the only money, but I never gave him the $1 yet. And so I brought it home in 2019 and put it up on jacks and took the oil plug out, and I got 5 gallons of water out of it before the oil came out. And so I pulled the motor out, and he goes, that motor run. It wasn't the original 305 that was in it. It's out of a Blazer that he had. And I took the engine out, and I took the heads off, and that son of a bitch never run. It was,
all rusted out?
Oh,
yeah.
Horrible. The heads were bad, the cylinder walls were bad. So it was a 350 4-volt main, and so I took it in Fremont to get rebuilt, and I took it in, and he sat on the floor, and he goes, I had just a bare block, and he goes, "This block's cracked in 2 places. It's cracked on both sides." And it had antifreeze in it, but I said, "Oh, great." And he goes, "I'll see if I can find one." So I found another 4-volt main block.
Okay.
And took it to him, and he goes, "Okay." He goes, "I'll get to work on it." He's gonna bore it out 30 over. So he calls me, and he said, "I got it all bored out." He goes, "I got to the last cylinder, and it's got a shadow in the block, in the cylinder wall." I go, "What's that?" He goes, "I don't know." He goes, "I never seen it before." And I said, "Well, I don't want to put all this money into it, and have something happen." And he goes, "Well, let me look." He goes, "I got a lot of blocks around here." He goes, "Maybe I'll find another 4-volt main." He said, "If I don't," he goes, 2-volt main will be fine." And he called me, he goes, "I got a 4-volt main." He goes, "I'll just swap it straight across."
Nice. Good. Jeez, all right. So this is a restoration project for you?
Yep.
Wow.
Body works, all that's left.
Mechanically, it's there. The tires look good. How's the interior? Can I? I'll peep
the
the
door's open there too.
Okay. Thank you.
I redid the interior myself. Well,
Really?
I didn't do the seats, but I redid everything else myself.
What do you think about that, Andrew?
I just wanted
That's American Muscle, my friend.
and the fenders were on, and
You guys matching? You guys coordinate? Color coordinated?
I guess
Grease and all?
Yep.
So like I was saying, we just got back from Wheel Hub Live. We're editing the video now. Stay tuned. But we're looking to potentially get this customer going here in the booking of restorations. Really cool.
Yeah,
Not too bad. It's got a few things, but nothing that isn't savable. New quarter panels. But the exhaust looks good. New gas tank.
yeah.
That's a cool feature. Was that common?
That's aftermarket.
Wow. So you just cut right in, or someone cut into
He
it?
just cut right into it. Just drilled holes and cut right into it. Put that in there.
Oh, good motor.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. I mean, I found a guy in Fremont that can fix that. Can refiberglass that back together. But yeah. Yeah. Right, because it's going to have to be set up there, so you got it right, I've seen your website. You guys do some neat shit.
Yeah. We're working on the website. If you go YouTube, you'll see this will be up here before you get home.
Oh.
It'll be on YouTube.
So my son was in Grand Island at something last year and got one of your business cards.
Husker Harvest Days.
Husker Harvest Days.
We were handing them out like hotcakes.
Yeah. And then I couldn't find the card, and I was just happened to be on Facebook, and your ad popped up, and I'm like, ah. And then one of you guys, that young man, I work in Wahoo's public schools, so that young man, I see him all the time, and I talk to him. And then I seen the car, or the van, one of your work vans in Wahoo.
Yeah.
And I was going to stop one day, but the van wasn't there. And I'm like, oh, I don't know. So I'm like, oh, this. When then I found it on Facebook, and I'm like, well, I'll just go.
Very cool. I love to hear that.
So I had a 76. I was telling him I had a 76 that I had all redone.
You got your flashlight on.
Oh, it's always on, except when I need it. Seriously, when I need it, it's not on.
That's funny. Dang.
But I was telling him I got rid of it when I got married, and I don't have either one now. So, but it was a really nice car. Here's some of the pictures of the interior when I got it, and how the car was.
Oh dang. So that's how you got this car.
Yeah, and
Okay.
here's the front seats when I got it. I took the carpet out in handfuls.
Okay, did you replace the seats or stitch them, or?
I had them, the front seats I had redone.
So what color would you paint it?
Orange.
Okay. Camaro orange. Chevy orange.
Chevy orange, Pugger orange, medium orange.
Noticeable.
Yeah, yeah.
Noticeable.
I'm gonna have the windshield replaced. One of those sitting in the driveway that got a crack in it.